then I pray don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. 'Cause sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. Where the negativity's around, I know someday it will all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to see that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no wars and the children will play. One day, one day, one day, but one day, one day, one day. But it's not about a win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they feed them souls of the innocent. Blood-drenched pavement, keep on moving through the water, stay raging. In this maze you can lose your way, your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it phase you away. No way. 'Cause sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. When the negativity's around, and I know someday it will all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to see that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no wars and the children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day it's all will change, treat people the same. Stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day it'll all be free and proud to be under the same sun, singing song of freedom like we're young. But yo, oh, 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 oh. But yo, oh, oh, oh. But yo, oh, 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 oh. 'Cause all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no wars and the children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. Late in the evening, she's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We went to a party and everyone turned to see this beautiful lady walking around with me. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and that she wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I have an aching head, so I give her the car keys. Can you drive along with me? And then I tell her, as I turn off the light, I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and that she wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how